exposure to what can be done with this. I mean, our brains are exploding with the possibilities, and we're so excited about it.
Here we are at the waterfall, extreme waterfall training here, Mike. What do you think? I mean, what do you think about this before and after? And you see some of the pictures of what we did before, and really when we got here, the challenge that was before us in a matter of what, 3 days? A lot of the viewers, they really, I mean, they think, they really don't know what they can do. This is extreme.
Lightweight panels, fast, easy, goes together without multiple mixes. That's the big thing, and the color comes out really easy.
Oh, it's different color. Look how we match this color here. But I admonish you to come out to trainings like this, retraining and stuff like that, that will really help you and help you get better at what you do and better at your craft. Thank you, Mike. I appreciate it. All right. David McCoy here with StoneMakers. We just finished this grandiose waterfall, and we had to match the rock that was here already. You couldn't just attach concrete. We had to put rebar and kind of rocks that could float on it in case you had the freeze thaw that you have here in New Hampshire. So here we attached to it, and you can't tell where the artificial concrete rock is and the real granite, rock with all the terracotta and the amber and all these colors that are in it. And we matched it pretty close as you can get. And I mean, we brought the rock all the way out. We were able to, canal the water and everything. If you look at the before pictures that you see now on the camera, that was before. And you look at it now, and we created just a paradise in the backyard. There again, resort style living from StoneMakers. Here we got it. Wonderful homeowners. It's always great to have. Sometimes you have customers, and then you have great customers that you're doing here. So,
well, the different people we had come and look at what we wanted, no one could do it. And when Dave came along and we explained to him, he drew it out on the paper, and it was exactly what we wanted. And to see it from the plan to today, it's even better. I can't even believe it. Can't even believe it. It's just amazing. There's no one else that can do this stuff. And they
don't need to go on vacation anymore.
No more vacation.
No more vacation.
Staycation.
So thank you for giving us the opportunity to use it.
Absolutely.
All right.
Thank you.
Appreciate everything.